Well, the EPA is changing some of its plans when it comes to filtering so-called forever chemicals out of our drinking water. The move will help reduce costs to some water systems. But news specialist Mike Anderson explains why some local experts are concerned about this, and they say it could cost families a lot of money in the long run. Mike?
Yeah, Debbie, they're called forever chemicals because they can stick around for thousands of years. And they used to make products like, water-resistant clothing, Teflon pans, firefighting foam that firefighters use. And they're also linked to problems like cancer and liver failure.
While water systems that depend on mountain streams may be safe, others that rely on reservoirs could see certain levels of what are called forever chemicals.
They're in all of our consumer goods, and when those consumer goods are used and washed, the chemicals leach from those materials and they end up in our wastewater.
Dr. Ryan DuPont is heading up a study right now at Utah State University to help get them out of our sewage for that very reason.
They cause toxicity to humans, even in very, very, very low doses.
They're known as polyfluoroalkyl substances, or PFAS for short. According to an EPA announcement today, Biden-era regulations to filter out 4 types of them from drinking water will be scrapped and reconsidered. Requirements for water systems to filter out 2 other types of PFAS will be set to begin in 2031 instead of 2029, giving water systems a 2-year extension to get up to speed.
Seems like an odd way to focus on them by eliminating the standards.
Well, DuPont says the changes may help utilities save money. The results could be costly.
Somebody's going to have to pay for that, right? It's not going to be the water utilities. It'll now be the insurance companies and eventually, us as individuals being impacted by those chemicals.
And according to 2024 regulations, only 6 to 12% of water systems in the U.S. were in excess of the allowed limits of PFAS in the water. But as DuPont points out, even very small amounts are harmful. Mike Anderson, live at 5.